I thought we'd kick things off with something simple but handy. This week I'm going to do a short series on quoting and literals. You probably already know a lot of the literal syntax in Ruby. Stuff like literal integers, floating point numbers, and strings. You probably also know that, like many languages, Ruby has a literal syntax for hexadecimal and octal numbers. Octal numbers are useful for things like specifying Unix file permissions. Ruby also supports a slightly less common type of integer literal, binary literals. I don't know about you, but even after all these years of Unix, I still have some trouble translating octal numbers into permissions, and vice versa in my head. This is one place binary literals can come in handy. Let's take a look at the previous example, only using a binary literal this time. First, we'll start with a reminder of the order of permissions bits. From left to right, we have permissions for user, group, and other. Now, underneath that, we'll spell out our permissions mask as a binary literal. Just to check, we'll translate that to octal form. Now, with our permissions mask in hand, we can set permissions, confident that we've set the desired bits. And that's it for today. Happy hacking!